Hello everyone, I am Sana and welcome back to my channel Study Concept. Today is day 5 of Glide scripting ServiceNow APIs. In today's session, we are going to learn GlideForm. This is the documentation for GlideForm. You can find here all the explanations, all the methods. So whatever like we are using in daily life, which are the important one, we are going to implement in this session. So basically GlideForm is an client-side API. So in the previous videos, we have learned many of server-side API. And now in today's session, we are learning GlideForm, which is an client-side API. So you can check the previous video as well. I have made the playlist of it. You can go step by step. So you can understand well which are the server-side API, which are going to use server-side and which are going to use in client-side. So this is one of client-side API. Which GlideForm methods are only running on the client side, which is browser, and the global object. This global object is g_form. Okay, is used to access the GlideForm methods. Means all the methods. Suppose we are using, see, this is the first method, add decoration. Okay, so we are using like gform dot add decoration, or if we are using set value, so gform dot set value. That's why we are using. Like that, we're using GlideForm. That is how we can access the GlideForm method. And gform method is used in a catalog client script as well, and the normal client scripts, which let me show you in the PDI so you can better understand it. This is my PDI client script. Yeah, under the system definition, we find client scripts. So basically, we have four types of client script. Let me show you. This is the list view of client script, and this is a new form. So we have types of client scripts. See, on-cell edit, on-change, on-load, and on-submit. So these are the four types having different parameters. Like on-load and on-submit does not have any parameter, but on-cell edit and on-change having the parameter. But this is the client script part. Since I am now in the session we are using on-load, so which does not having any parameters. Just I am putting here GlideForm testing. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to select a table. So as of now, I'm selecting the incident table. And this is the UI type, means where we have to implement it on desktop, mobile, or all. As of now, I'm taking the all. Okay. So the first method is, yeah. So the first method is get value. Okay. This method is used to specify field value from the current form. We can suppose gform dot alert. We can first use it alert, and I will show you how we can use gform. So first write global global object, which is gform dot get value. Sorry, dot get value. You can see the suggestions are also here. We can pick it. So get value, and inside the get value, you have to specify which value you want to print out, which value you have to alert. So as of now, I am taking in double quotes category and save it. See, client script is inserted. Now we can check on incident form. Incident.list. And when you open any of incident and form gets load, the category value is going to be alerted. See, inquiry is the value. Inquiry is the backend name of inquiry and help. Okay, so it was showing me, see, inquiry is the backend name of inquiry, this category, inquiry or help category. So this is the one method we can get value. And there is another method which is set value. Set value specify this value of specific field. I will show you in the same example. So this is where we are getting the value, right? Category get to get value, and now we are setting the value in short description or anywhere we want. So dot so set value. Okay, and we can set, suppose this category is inquiry and help, right? And I am now, we can change the category also. Category. See, it was showing as field name as parameter. Field name is one parameter in string, and other is value, which we want to set in that field. Category is my field name, comma, and also we need to define in double quotes in string only the backend name of that field which we want to set. Hardware we can, and save it. Okay. When the form loads, it's the first line get executed, alert, and second it set the value as hardware. Okay, so these are two methods, get value and set value. If you you can check in the check in the documentation as well. You find all these methods. Okay, so next method is add option. These are we are having some choice fields, right? Subcategory categories in the form. So for that, we can use add option, remove option, or the clear option. These are three methods. Okay, so first we are using add option. Add this methods adds the new choice in the respective field. We can check how. GForm dot add option. See, and you can see the parameter as field name in string, choice value in string, and choice label in string as well. So first we have to define the choice field in the string. Okay, so I can write as category, and after that choice field means backend name, choice value, which is backend name of the field. We can put it as hardware 1, and label name of the field is hardware test. So okay, and save the form. And while I have loaded the incident form, then these option get added. See, there is no option as hardware test. Okay, when I load the form and check, see, these hardware 1 is available. See, hardware 1 and the label name is hardware test. Now, how I can remove the option? So we have we have the same method, GForm GForm dot remove option, and see, field name and choice name means only we want this thing. We don't need the label. Copy and paste it here. First it would add the first it add the option, and second line remove the option. So save it, save the form, and let's check. So on first load it would add it, and in second line it would remove it. See, the second line got executed and that hardware test got removed from this. Or if you want